أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم SILAH 2020 plans CSS 20 weeks, PMS 20 weeks, Judiciary 20 weeks, M English 20 weeks, IELTS 10 weeks, Creative Writing 10 weeks, Life Skills A1 4 weeks, English MDCAT 20 days, Interview 20 days, Day-to-day English Conversation 100 hours, OA levels 16 weeks, Skill to read the Holy Quran 100 days, Translation of the Holy Quran 30 weeks, English Literature Introduction to Poetry Part 7. Dearest young scholars, how are you?
Alhamdulillah.
How are you?
I am good.
MashaAllah. You know that we have discussed now 3 sound devices so
Yes,
far.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Right or wrong?
Right, sir.
The first one is
Rhyme,
rhyme, second
repetition,
repetition, third one
alliteration.
alliteration. No. Any question regarding those 3?
No, sir.
No. The fourth and the last sound device is onomatopoeia. What?
Onomatopoeia.
Onomatopoeia. When we listen to some joke and as a result of that our mouth produces some sound.
Yes, sir.
What's the name of that sound?
Love.
Laughter. Excellent, you know. The name of that sound is laughter. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Laughter is a sound. What's it?
Sound.
Sound. This sound has some specific name. Name of this sound is cough.
Cough.
What?
Cough.
Cough. Coughing.
Yes.
And we have so many other sounds, no, which we produce, and our each sound has some specific name. Am I right or wrong?
Right,
Right,
sir.
sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
One human produces a number of sounds,
Sound.
and each sound has a specific name. Understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
UPS is
Producing.
some sound that has specific
Name.
I'm not telling you today. I'm postponing it.
Sound.
There's a friction is there, and
Yes.
it has some sound.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
That sound has some specific
Name. Some
Clear?
specific noun.
Sound is there, no? But
Yes.
this sound has some specific.
Name.
This feature of the language
Yes,
is known
onomatopoeia.
onomatopoeia. These specific sounds can be of some persons. As persons have sound, things also have
Have
sound.
Sound.
Sounds clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
You can listen.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
It has some specific.
Name.
I'm not telling you today.
Okay.
Postponing it, no? And I hope that you will search it, no?
Yes.
Inshallah.
Onomatopoeia basically is the name of some word. Which word which has the name of some specific sound. Sound of someone or sound of something. Sounds clear?
Yes.
sir.
That word is known
Onomatopoeia.
No clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Over here, I'm just giving you some clue that there's a debate that this sound, when it is produced by some persons, is known voice.
Right,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
When it is produced by something, this is called noise.
Noise.
Sounds clear?
Yes, sir.
This sound, it is called voice when it is produced by some persons. And this is known as noise when it is produced by some things.
Things.
Sounds clear?
Yes, sir.
That's a debate.
Okay.
That is a debate,
Debate.
no? And you can search now that how true it is, how factual it is, no?
Right, sir.
I personally believe that it's better to say that there is a voice by someone and there's a noise by
certain
something.
things.
Sounds clear?
Yes, sir.
UPS is producing
Noise.
noise. I am producing
Voice.
voice. and these both, no, I mean, no, the noise and voice are known as
Some.
no, clear.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Dogs bark, dogs
Bay.
bay, doors
Creek.
creak when you open the door or when you close the door, and it produces some
sound.
noise,
Right.
some
Noise.
noise, some sound. The name of that sound is
Creak.
creak. The door is creaking.
Creak.
The dog is barking.
Barking.
Because dogs bark and doors
Creak.
creak. Mashallah. Cats purr.
Ha.
Coins
Clink.
clink. When we throw the coins or know that and they produce some
Sound.
noise, some sound, so
Sound.
that's called
Clink.
clink. The coins are
Clink.
clinking. No, the cats are
Purr.
purring because cats purr
Purr
and coins
Clink.
clink. Excellent. Thunders
Booming.
booms and fires
Clacks.
what? Crackles.
Crackles.
Rain
Drips.
drips and paper crinkles. Friends clear?
Yes, sir.
Because
Rain.
rains always drips and papers always crinkle. I think there's a mistake over here. There should have been no S, no? Bees. You know bees?
Yes.
Busy as bees.
Yes.
Bees. The Quran says there is a surah, the whole chapter in the Holy Quran, no? Surah An-Nahl.
Nahl.
An-Nahl.
Buzz.
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 Bees
Buzz.
buzz.
Okay.
Oh, what sound is that? Oh, don't worry, sir.
Bees are coming.
They are bees and they are buzzing.
Buzzing.
Why?
Buzzing.
Because
Bees
bees
buzz.
always buzz.
Buzz.
Fishes rattle
Rattle.
and dishes
Rattle.
rattle. Monkeys shatter. Trains
Rumble.
rumble. Snakes
His.
hiss.
His.
When the snake produces a sound, so that sound is known
His.
hiss. So many things are there. So many persons are there.
Produce noise.
Clear?
Right.
Everything.
So all these words are the examples of
Onomatopoeia.
onomatopoeia. The poet, in order to produce rhythm in his poetry, uses the proper sound name for each person or for each thing. This phenomena, this concept
is called
in poetry is known
onomatopoeia.
Onomatopoeia.
So this is the fourth sound device. And there are four sound devices in total. Where? In poetry now. Any question?
No, sir.
Example of onomatopoeia. This is a poem, and you will notice that the moment we read it, you will start feeling something
About
with the help of your
Ear.
ears.
yes.
So it means your listening shall get involved over there. As onomatopoeia is the word which has a specific name for some specific sound produced by someone and something. So sound is always heard. So
Right.
only one sense is involved over there. What is that?
Yeah.
That is
Ear.
listening. So the role of onomatopoeia is there to involve the listening
Listening
sense
sense
of the reader,
of the
listening
listener,
sense of the hearer,
Yes.
listening sense of the audience,
Audience.
and so on.
Okay.
No points clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So whenever the poet uses onomatopoeia in his poetry, so which sense of the hearer, the listener, he involves
Listen.
listening. Excellent. No points clear?
Yes, sir.
Onomatopoeia,
Appeal.
it appeals, it attracts,
Attracts.
it involves What? No? The sense of sound. Because it is a link with sound, and sound is produced from the mouth,
from the tongue.
by very good, with the help of tongue. And it is felt. It is felt with this sense now. Finds clear?
Yes, sir.
So let's have a look at this example. No? Before I read this poem, I would love to explain this word. What's the word? Brittle. What? Brittle. Something which is hard. But this can be broken very easily. Sometimes we see sticks, branches of the trees.
Yes.
They are hard,
But
they can be broken easily.
broken.
Points clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This adjective, this quality of the things is known
Brittle.
brittle. Here's the word brittle, ice. Ice,
Right,
Yes,
sir.
ice.
Yes.
So it is hard, but it can be broken very easily.
Easily.
Points clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes,
Now
sir.
let's now read it so that you can enjoy your
Listen.
listening skill
Tense.
now. Scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. Crunch, crunch, crunch. These are the names.
of the
Clear? Specific names.
of a specific
Of the sounds
Sound.
which the snow and
Brittle.
ice produce.
Right, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Snow and ice.
Ice.
I'm sure you know the difference between snow and ice. Frozen snow and brittle ice make a winter sound that's nice underneath my stamping feet
Crunch.
and the cars along the street. What happens
My.
when this frozen snow and this brittle ice it comes under our stamping feet, so that it
Crunch.
starts getting broken. Or it gets broken.
Sound.
And as it gets broken, what happens? It
Specific
produces
sound.
some sound.
Specific sound.
Clear? And the poet has described that phenomenon with the specific sounds which these two things produce.
Produces. Yes, sir.
How beautiful it is. Why?
Because
Due to the use of onomatopoeia. Because the poet has used the specific
Specific
sound
sound.
for the specific thing,
Things.
for the specific person, for the specific phenomenon. Scrunch, scrunch, scrunch,
crunch.
crunch, crunch, crunch. Rhythm is there.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Flow of the beat is there.
Yes, sir.
Rhythm is there.
Yes.
Flow of the beat is there. Sure.
Yes.
Any question?